Hi guys, welcome back. So we are here at our room. We are just going to watch, but I'm sorry, but I'm coughing. Bye. Hey, welcome back. So we are just in our bed because it's raining outside. We cannot go outside because it's raining, and we're going to the church. So see you later in the church. See ya.
I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up, then stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. No, I'll be lounging on the couch, just chilling in my snuggie. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. Cause in my castle
I will eat it. Yes, I said it. I said it because I can. And I don't like to do anything. I just want to really love it. Picking up my phone. A song that I love. Doing anything. Like
I'll wake up, some P90X with a really nice girl, have some really nice sex, and she's gonna scream out, "This is great."
In the syrup. Yeah. Wala. Kung natin siya. Dito na
Ano na laro nyo? Ano na laro nyo?
Shirley. Ulit. Okay. So funny.
Cover mo yung mouth mo.
At siya naman yung daughters. Yung daughters naman. Siya naman. At kaya yung patient sayang.
Luwa mo nga doon. Sa inidoro. Tsaka enough na yung tawa. Nakakakos ng ubo yung tawa. Luwa mo doon, hindi mauubos yan pag hindi mo niluwa. Sige, wag mo akong pakinggan.
Shall we answer? Sure, shall we? Naiwan tayong patient. No.
Magkano? 20?
My graduation. My graduation. Birthday.
Yan si Kapoging Mario. Han, kuya, palike naman ang page ko. Kapogi.
Ay, ikaw yung kapugi.
Yan. So bibigyan kita ng 50. Keep the change.
Ay, thank you, sir, ha?
Thank you so much, Kapogi.
Pumunta ka ng banyo, iluwa mo. Sa inidoro, wag sa ano.
Hindi ko.